The Quick Control screen is a shortcut to access commonly used infotainment features with the swipe of a finger. This gesture-based access is intuitive and similar to smartphone interfaces, ensuring that drivers can view their favorite settings without navigating through multiple menus. Drivers can easily personalize this feature to suit their preferences. First, open the Quick Control menu. Swipe down from the top edge of the infotainment touchscreen. Tap the Edit icon within the Quick Control menu. Select or deselect functions to add or remove them from the menu. Press Done to save the changes. To close the menu, either swipe up or tap the Close icon at the top of the screen. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Infotainment Owner's Manual.